Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. This is assignment 13 of 6th class, subject English. The topic is active voice and passive voice. See here, change the following sentences into passive voice. 10 sentences are given. You have to change from active into passive, children. Now let us see here. So interrogative sentences. Interrogative means asking questions. First one, do you like sweets? See here, children. Do, helping verb. Like, main verb. So this is subject and this one is object. While changing interrogative sentences from active into passive, okay, right? We need the be forms. We should begin our answers with be forms. See, what else it is? Present tense. Do is there, present tense. Do you like sweets? So rule is object becomes subject. Okay? Subject sweets. What about sweets, children? Is it singular or plural? Plural. Sweets plural. So we should begin our answer with are sweets. After this be form, we have to make this object as subject. After making subject, we should write this main verb into B3. Are sweets liked. So like this B3. Liked by. So you. The subject becomes object. Are sweets liked by you? Okay. Now let's see second one. Second one. Do they play chess? Say do, helping verb, play, main verb. So this is subject and this one is object. Children, right? First confirm the text. What text it is? The given sentence is in simple present tense. How can we say it is simple present tense? When a question begins with do or does, so that is simple present tense. Now chess. What about chess, children? Is it singular or plural? Singular. So we should begin our answer with is. So make this object as subject. Is chess and V3 of this main verb. Played. Is chess played by. They becomes them. Subject becomes object. Question mark. Is chess played by them? Now third one. Does he sing songs? Children, see, does helping verb, sing main verb. So this is subject, songs, object. Okay. Now, so present tense. When a question begins with do or does, that is present tense. Songs, object is songs, plural. Songs, plural. So we should begin our answer with are. And after this be form, we have to make this object as subject. Are songs. And V3 of this main verb, sing, sung. Sing, sang, sung. So V3 is sung. Sung by. So he becomes, subject becomes object. Question mark. Are songs sung by him? Right, children? Fourth one. Does helping verb, cook main verb, she subject. So this one is object. Food is object. Right? Okay. Now, does she cook food? So food singular. Is food V3 of this main verb. Cooked. Is food cooked by. She becomes her, subject becomes object and question mark. Is food cooked by her? Next. Let us see fifth one. Did we meet them? Did. Helping verb, meet main verb. So this is subject and this is object. Children, what else it is? When a question begins with did, remember, so this is simple past tense. In simple past tense, we require be forms, was or were. Okay, them, object. So them becomes they. Then plural form, we should begin our answer with were. Were after this B form, we should make this object as subject. Then becomes they, were they, and after this one, V3 of this main verb. Met, meet, met. Were they met by? V becomes us, question mark. Were they met by us? Right, children? Now, sixth one. Did, helping verb, color, main verb. So, this is subject, the picture is object. Okay? What tense it is? Past tense, because the question began with did. So, simple past tense. In simple past tense, the B forms we need are was, were. Okay, children? The picture, is it singular or plural? Singular. So, for singular, we should take was. Was the picture? Was the picture? So, we made this object as subject. Was the picture? V3 of this color, colored. Colored. Was the picture colored by? U becomes U. Subject becomes object, question mark. Was the picture colored by you? Okay, that's seventh one. Will, helping verb, give, main verb. So this is subject and this one is object. Okay, children? And confirm the tense. What tense it is? Simple future tense. Okay, right? Then our answer, we should begin with will. After this will, helping verb, so we should make this object as subject. Will a party, after this one, B form, B, because it is future tense. Will a party be, and V3 of this main verb, given, given by, so him becomes, he becomes by him. Will a party be given by him? Right, children? Now let's see. Eighth one. Will she buy a car? Will, helping verb, she subject, by main verb, a car object. Okay, right? Now our answer should begin with will. Will, make this object as subject. Will a car. After this one, B form, B. Will a car be? V3 of this main verb, by, bought. Will a car be bought by? She becomes her, question mark. Will a car be bought by her? Next, children. Do they invite us? Do, helping verb, invite main verb. So they subject as object. Confirm the tense. What tense it is? Simple present tense. When a question begins with do or does, that is simple present tense. So as, this object becomes subject. When we make this as, when we change that as into subject, that becomes be. We means, so plural, are we, after this helping verb, so we change this object as subject, are we, V3 of this main verb, invited, are we invited by, they becomes, subject becomes object, question mark. Are we invited by the? Last one, children. Does David rule the country? Does, helping verb, rule, main verb. So this David is subject, the country is object. Okay, right? First confirm the tense. What tense it is? Simple present tense. How can we say it is simple present tense? The question began with the does, right? The country is singular. Our answer should begin with is. Is the country, after making this object as subject, so V3 of this main verb, rule, ruled. Is the country ruled by, after by, this subject becomes object, by David, question mark. Is the country ruled by David? Right, children? I hope you got this. Thank you. All the best.